Welcome back, everybody, to B Bros Rips and Breaks. Today we got a blaster box from Target. We got this one a while back. Can't really find any more lately, so hopefully we can find some more material for you guys, more things to open. But whoa! Hey, Big B, did you put these back out there?
Yes.
We're gonna have to do those another day. Yeah. Anyways, these have the one memorabilia card or magnet card, 88 cards per box, 11 packs?
Yeah.
I think it's 11 packs, yeah.
Yeah.
Thought it said it somewhere. But anyway, so I think this is a magnet because it makes a noise when you shake it a little bit. The magnet's a loose card inside there, so I'm assuming it's a magnet. But let's go ahead and get this started.
The last time we got a magnet in that box. Right,
Okay.
Daddy?
No, we didn't get a we didn't get a magnet. We got a mem card. But
it had a magnet on it.
that was a security kit number thing, and Target does that for some of their things. Alright, so here we go. Let's see. Hang on, let's see what we have here. Let me grab this and let me just go ahead. Oh, maybe I was wrong. It was the magnet security thing that was bouncing in there. It fooled me. Alright, well, there are the packs. Here's the box. Empty box.
Empty.
Alright, let's see if I can do the guess for the best pack at the end. Alright, let's go with those. That one, that one.
This one looks pretty big. This one looks pretty big.
Yeah, let's save those towards the end. What do you think? Yeah.
Right there.
Let's just do it that way. Okay. Alright, we got our little stand here. See which is the best card.
Yep.
Whoever can beat it. We have a backup stand. We'll put that out if we need it. Alright, we're going to try to be fast with these. Not too fast where you can mess the cards up, but
Okay.
sometimes for us it's easier for Big B to grab the card from underneath the filler card so he doesn't drop them or anything. Allen Robinson, nice little base. Trent Williams, another little base. Everybody should already know about these cards, know what they look like. A lot of base, lots of base.
Looks like there's
Adrian Peterson.
Panthers in the background.
Yeah. Panthers. Go Panthers.
Yeah.
Keep pounding. Okay, Michael Gallup. Oh, what do we got there? A little, is that orange, red press proof? Red AJ Green. Yep. That's a pretty cool card. Oh, and that's a variant. Got the red D up there. Okay, that'll be here's our hit pile.
I'll just show this one off. Okay. Looks like practice card.
Yeah, it's a rookie. So Raekwon Davis. There we go. Put a little rookie pile there. Alright, good old Benny. We're doing pretty good this year. Frank Clark. Alright, go ahead and get another pack going there. Other cards, no variants, no red Ds. Alright. There you go. Alright, Josh Allen from the Jaguars. Oh, here's a Curtis Samuel from the Panthers. We always keep all the Panther cards as our PC.
Like a Panther pile?
Yep. As everyone can notice, we've always have these Panther cards in the background from Mojo. Chris Carson. Tyson Hill. Yeah, he's a pretty good player. Mozart. Yeah. Anyways, I'm never really good with names. I don't know why. Just not. Look at this guy, rookie. Haven't really heard much about him. Put that in the rookie pile. Yeah. All this space. Nice. Show off that kid reporter. Anybody wants it. There you go.
Kid reporter.
Alright, grab another pack. Hopefully everyone's having a great day. Everyone's being safe out there. There we go. Let's see, what do we have here now?
It's backwards.
Oh, is it backwards?
Yeah.
Gardner Minshew. Jim Kelly, old school guy. Marlon Mack.
Guess we already got that card
Yeah.
from last card break.
Jared Allen. Oops. Garoppolo. Sorry, get that back there so people can see it. There you go. Ooh. Guess this guy might be starting this week. Tua. That's a good card.
Looks like he's number 1.
Yeah, let me sleeve this one up. Raider rookie. Good old Tua. Okay, so far that's I'd say that's a good hit there. All right, AJ Green. Another AJ Green. Devin Bush. Let's get this back here. There you go. All right, grab another.
This
pack.
one's near the back of it. Oh.
Oh yeah. You look back at these. Any more variants? Most of the times the normal base won't have those. Unless they're hobby packs. These are retail packs. How about if I set you up over here so you can... Devin Singletary. They're doing pretty good this year, the Buffalo Bills. Kenny Stills. Alright. Harrison Smith. Alright, can you grab another one? Let's get lots of packs to go through. Evan Ingram. Oh, careful with the camera there. Ooh, cool insert. Swift. Gridiron Kings. Rookie Gridiron Kings. Nice card there. How's that canvas feel? I don't know if that still tops to a Osborne, rookie, CJ, Musamoa, I guess. Musamoa, sorry guy. Are you okay there, Big B?
Mm-hmm.
Juju Smith. Okay. Kid Reporter. Alright. Go. Grab another pack. Sorry. You want me to get some of these for you? You want to take a break? Sean Watson. Buda Baker. Matt Judon. Malcolm Jenkins.
Looks like he changed to the Saints.
Yeah. Oh man, we're getting lots of base here. We need some Albert, this guy. And Honey Badger. And Jason Peters. All right. Well, we're not doing so well on this one. We haven't really got any cool inserts yet. Only have 2. Okay, there you go. David Montgomery. All right. Cole Holcomb. Dwayne Haskins. There we go. Melvin Ingram. There you go. Oh, show that one up there. What's that one? The Honey Badger again. The champ is here. Nice little reflection in the lettering there. Pretty cool. And Devin Asiasi, I guess. Tight end for the Patriots. Rookie card. Jerome Baker. And Aaron Rodgers. Alright, there you go. Johnson from the Lions. Yeah, this Walter Payton. Marquise Brown. Kyler Murray. It's always a good card. I'll just set that one in there. Hightower. I need to scoot these back a little bit so I can see. Isaiah Simmons of the Cardinals. We pulled a, I'll see that one up. Pulled a autograph card of him. Tom Brady. His new uni.
Where should I put him?
Yeah, you can put him in that pile there. Sleeve up the Isaiah Simmons.
Looks like we have an old school.
Yep. Brett Favre. Another kid reporter. There we go. There you go. How many more packs we have there? Get down to the wire. 3 more packs after this.
3.
Ryan Tannehill. Anybody need a lot of Donruss base cards? Jamal Adams. Okay. Keelan Allen. Alright. Push that back there. Gotta make sure everybody can see these. It goes too fast, they can't see them. No font. Nice. Philip Lindsay. Oh, Bronco pack, huh? Ooh, go to Brown. Wills. Raider rookie. Chris Jones. Jack Lambert. Joe Mixon. And Kid Reporter. There you go. Two more packs. Make sure, yeah, there you go. Jalen Ramsey. Let's see, you gotta make sure I get in focus. Careful of the camera there. Sorry, guys. Tyrell Williams. Waller. He's having a good year. These guys are not having a good year. Jalen Smith.
Why are they not having a good year?
They've lost 2 quarterbacks already. Ooh, that one's pretty cool. Dominators. Thielen from the Vikings. Whoa. Nice and shiny, huh? Pretty cool. There goes in our insert pack. Michael Pittman Jr. and a Raider rookie. Put that in the, sleeve that one up. And Fitzpatrick from the Steelers.
Where should I put him?
Put him in the base pile.
Which one's the base pile? This one?
The biggest one, yeah. Alright, grab that one. One more. Should I? Sean Jeffrey. There you go. Oh, seems like this box was a blaster box of base, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, not a lot of inserts in this one. There you go. There you go. A.J. Brown. Crowler. Dak. Odell. I think he's out for the season. Mike Evans. And Devin Duvernay. Raider rookie. I like to sleeve the Raider rookies up. Just you never know. Michael Vick. Pull it back a little bit there.
Wait, is he a quarterback?
Yeah, used to be. Go back a little bit more. There you go. Go ahead and set it down on the big pile. Still, for us, seems like it's going to be the elusive Joe Burrow. Tyreek Hill.
One more pack.
Here's the Kid Reporter. Down left to our last pack. Our last pack, everyone. And let's see. It does have a mem, so I'm going to bring these up. Leave the mem for last. There you go. Jordan Brooks rookie. Miles Sanders. Here, scoot back when you. Let's go back here. There we go. Make sure that it's in the picture. Old school Miami Dolphins. Mixed in my pile up there. There we go. Higbee. Marcus Allen. This guy was a phenomenal running back. Josh Jacobs. He's not doing too bad either. And Jacob. This card feels a little funny, but man, this guy again. That's all we get is this guy. Carson Wentz. Hang on there. Hold that one up. Hold this one up, Big B. Hold this one up. There you go. 1 second. No, I can't find it. I was gonna look for the other one, but yep, it's the same thing. Wah wah wah. Not dissing Carson Wentz, but they must have put these in every blaster box. All right, well, I think the best out of that one was this one, the Tua. One blaster box.
And we only got one Panther.
One Panther.
That's still good. At least that we got a Panther.
We got Devin Duvernay, Michael Pittman Jr. Got this Dominator, is Adam Thielen, Isaiah Simmons. We put the Tom Brady in there just because. Kyler Murray. The Champ is here. Honey Badger. Swift. Rookie Gridiron Kings. And a red press proof of AJ Green. And of course, the mem card. Well, oh yeah, here's the base blaster box. Alright guys, well, that was a fun break. Like I always say, keep it safe out there. And we're here to rip and break for you guys. See you next time. And we'll see ya
Next time. Bye.